how to play Spotify and YouTube simultaneously at the same time. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily play Spotify and YouTube simultaneously at the same time. So first thing, just head over to your YouTube application and just searching for any of the videos. So let me just select this video over here, and what I will do is just click on this share button over here, and I'll just click on this copy link. So when I click on copy link, I'll just head back to my browser and just paste the link which I just copied, and it will automatically play that video over here. So as you can see, currently my video is being played, and at the same time I will just come back over here and click on this Spotify application and play the music from the Spotify as well. So as you can see, my music from the Spotify is also being played, and I will just come back to my browser once again and I will simply play the music video of my Google Chrome browser as well. So you cannot do directly it on your application, YouTube application officially, but you can still listen to it via the browser. You can also come to this three dot icon and click on this desktop site to open it as a desktop version of the YouTube, and just simply play the video just like this. And as you can see, my both of the songs from both Spotify as well as YouTube is being played in my device. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.